He's helping to clean all the cars. Good job, Jaden. Nice work here, good scrubbing. Let's get the inside as well. Scrub the whole thing. Oh, look at Tommy's got that car going. That looks good, that looks good. This one too. Yeah, let's get that scrubbed up. Get all the cars ready for Tet, so they're really nice and clean. Good job, Isabella. Now, look how thorough Isabella is. And Tommy too. Good job, you guys. And Bent. Get this one. This one too. Good work, Henry. Henry, don't forget the wheels. Look. The wheels as well, they're dirty. Look at the wheels. They need to be done too. Yeah, give them a good scrub. So everything is nice and clean for Tet. Scrub hard. Good job, Kim. Scrub hard. Get your elbows in there. Good job.
Wow, Ben, how is the work here?
David, get the scrubby. Get the scrubby. And then that one.
Here, David.
And give the car. There you go. Give it a good scrub. Isabella. Wow. What a worker. Oh, good job. Good job, 1J. I see some more dirt there. Get that one too. Scrub really hard. Get it really clean. Good job. Good work. Good work. Now, do we have to rinse them off? You want to get the soap off. Let's take them over to the hose.